There are cybersecurity risks when computers and storage devices are connected to the Internet. Secure system and network settings should be used to confront growing hacking activities. QNAP knows that not everyone is a cybersecurity expert, so this tutorial will help you set up your NAS to protect it from hackers. There are many services running on a NAS. Different services usually use different ports. However, not all services should be exposed to the external network, and the ports used by services should not all be open to the external network. Because some services are the preferred attack channels for hackers, please remember this important principle. Do not open unnecessary service ports to the external network. Higher risk: SSH, Telnet, SMB, AFP, NFS, iSCSI, NAS Web Management Interface, lower risk, FTP, VPN. Before startup, make sure that your NAS is not directly connected to the WAN port provided by your Internet Service Provider, ISP. If it's currently connected this way, you should connect the NAS to your router's LAN port. First, log into the router management interface and delete all port forwarding rules. Then find and disable the UPnP function and UPnP function on the router. Also confirm that the DMZ feature is disabled. After completing these settings, the devices on your router are no longer exposed to the Internet. If your NAS is simply for backup purposes or for intranet use, you don't need to configure any Internet-related settings. Just update your system and software regularly and always use strong passwords. If you need to access your NAS files from an external network, consider using myQNAPcloud link. It is also recommended to use a VPN to increase security. Next, we describe how to set up myQNAPcloud link and VPN. myQNAPcloud link uses the myQNAPcloud service as the connection portal. It allows the NAS to be accessed from the external network without exposing the NAS. myQNAPcloud link uses SSL encryption to ensure the security of transmitted data. You can set access control to ensure that only authorized users can connect your NAS with myQNAPcloud link. If you are the only person accessing the NAS through an external network connection, set the access control to private mode. This way, only your personal QNAP ID account can connect to the NAS using myQNAPcloud link. If you share the NAS with others, set the access control to customized mode. You can add a friend or family member's email address or cell phone number to your QNAP ID account. Then you can authorize them to use myQNAPcloud link to connect to the NAS. Click the information card in the top right, and the video tutorial will demonstrate how to set up myQNAPcloud link. Next are advanced VPN settings. VPN is an encrypted connection. After connecting to the VPN, you can access not only your NAS, but also other devices and services on your intranet. QNAP NAS supports multiple VPN servers. We recommend OpenVPN, L2TP, IPsec, QBelt, and WireGuard. Please note that when opening the VPN server, it is necessary to set up port forwarding to open the VPN service to the outside world. Therefore, it is recommended to set the QFirewall firewall function to enhance security. Click the information card in the top right, and the video tutorial will demonstrate how to set up QBelt VPN. All QNAP NAS storage devices support snapshot protection, and snapshots can also be backed up and restored off-site. Deploy QNAP multifunctional routers and networking products to enhance network security. Information security is QNAP's top priority.